first mission is to diversify, to move away from this single source of diesel and heavy fuel oil, liquids, and to transition into other sources.
At the top of the year, government signed a $90 million clean energy agreement with the United States Overseas Private Investment Corporation, OPIC. Under the MOU, 2 wind energy plants and a solar energy plant got off the ground.
It's renewables that we really have to target.
Work on Wigton 3 was completed in December. BMR is scheduled for March 2016 and solar content in June 2016. The energy was also cranked up on the 380-megawatt new baseload generation project in 2015, as Cabinet gave approval for work to proceed on 330 megawatts in January. This led the way for due diligence to proceed. A power tariff agreement was also inked by JPS and Alpart. And then there was this.
An agreement for the government of Jamaica and New Fortress to enter into a memorandum of understanding to guide the development of the natural gas market locally and confirm the intent to develop Jamaica as a hub for the regional distribution of small-scale gas supply.
The supply of LNG will also facilitate operations at the Bogue plant, where a $2.5 billion gas conversion project got off the ground in October. The project received legislative support with the passage of amendments to the Electricity and Office of Utilities Regulations Acts in both houses of Parliament.
It is enabling better space for foreign investment,
In 2015, the Energy Ministry also connected more persons in rural communities to the national grid. The implementing agency, the Rural Electrification Program, was renamed the National Energy Solution Company Limited, with an expanded role to achieve energy efficiency. 2015 started on a high note for the bauxite alumina sector, with the resumption of mining activities at UC Rosal's plant in St. Elizabeth. By September, 35,000 tons of bauxite were exported to the Ukraine, and the plant is on track for full resumption by December 2016.
And I'm very pleased to see that the plans now are unfolding for that to happen, and very shortly I know the company will start to do its full recruitment.
In 2015, 3 licenses were granted by the Ministry of Science and Technology to conduct research and grow ganja for medicinal use. The licenses were granted to the University of the West Indies, the University of Technology Jamaica, and overseas-based firm Timeless Herbal Care Limited. Opportunities were provided for young people to turn their technology ideas into businesses. The Startup Jamaica program arranged a 1-month boot camp in Jordan for 3 local companies to boost their competitive edge.
Because our objective is to ensure that you succeed globally.
On November 9, the STEM Ministry hosted its second batch of 60 young tech entrepreneurs, from which another set of companies will be selected. The ministry also continued its rollout of community access points across the island, adding over 50 in 2015. To heighten protection of the ICT sector, Dr. Louis Shalal was appointed as the new Chief Information Officer. He is supported by the National Cybersecurity Strategy, which was launched in January, and Parliament's passage of amendments to the Cybercrimes Act on October 13.
The Government of Jamaica is committed to creating a robust cybersecurity framework to protect Jamaica's online space.
It's also committed to First World Telecommunications, and on June 22, 2015, number portability became a reality. The Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining carried out targeted strategies in 2015 in pursuit of credible economic programs to drive growth and job creation.